Hi, we are doing NCERT class 9, question number 1 of exercise 2.4. Suppose a plant has a height of 1.75 feet and it grows by 0.5 feet each month. You have to find the height after 7 months, make a table of the time and the height, and find an expression that relates H and T. Now here what we will do, first we will do the first portion. Now you have to find the height after 7 months. So first I will write down initial height is 1.75 feet and how much it grows per month. Growth per month is 0.5 feet. The first portion says that find the height after 7 months. That means what will be the height after 7 months? Initial height plus growth in 7 months. Now growth in per month is 0.5 feet. So growth in 7 months will be how much? Growth in 7 months will be 7 into 0.5, 0.5, 7 times. That means 7 into 0.5. That will become 3.5 feet. What is 3.5 feet? This is the growth in 7 months. So final height after 7 months. Initial height, that is 1.75 plus 3.5. This will turn out to be 5.25 feet. Feet we have to write because that's the unit given. Now the second part. The second part states that you have to make a table. You have to make a table of values of T varying from 0 to 10 months and show how the height increases every month. So we will make a table for that. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So now in this table there will be two portions. One is the time and the other one is the height. Time starts from 0. We'll put down all the months. The initial is 1.75 height. Now after 1 month, let's calculate it and show them. So after 1 month, it will be 1.75 plus 0.5 because 0.5 is every month. That will turn out to be 2.25 feet. So we will write here 2.25. Now after second month, what it will be? It will be 2.25 plus 0.5, that is 2.75 feet. Now this thing can be written in terms of initial height, that is 1.75 plus 0.5 for the first month and plus 0.5 for the second month. That turns out to be 1.75 plus 2 into 0.5. Right? So this 1.75 plus 2.05 is 2.75. Why I am writing this? Because we have to, in the third part, we have to make a relationship between the height and the month. So what we saw here, we saw that the height after any month is initial height plus month into increase in every month. That is the relationship. So this becomes 2.75. Again, for third month, what we can write? Same way, it will be 1.75 plus 3 months में 3 times 0.5 it will increase. So 1.75 plus 3 into 0.5, that will become 3.25. So this is 3.25. Now for all the months, no need to calculate. You can just do it by calculating fourth month. Simply you can write 3.25 plus 0.5, that is 3.75. For the fifth month, it will become, this is 3.75, 3.75 plus 0.5, that will become 4.25. So on, it will keep on increasing with 0.5 each time with the previous one. And what relationship we have deducted is initial height plus month into height every month. So same way, 4.25 plus 0.5, that is 4.75. Then 4.75 plus 0.5 will become 5.25. 5.25 plus 0.5 will become 5.75, and then 6.25, and then it will be, for the 10th one, it will be 10th one I am writing here, 6.75. So what is the, we have got the table. The third one is saying find the, I'll show you the sum. Find an expression that relates h and t. You have to frame a relationship between h and t and explain why it represents linear growth. So the relationship we have established here only. So height is h. What is the relationship? H is 1.75 initial height plus month. Month is the time t over here into 0.5, right? So this is 1.75 plus 0.5 t is the relationship. Now it is asking you why this relationship, why this is a, and explain why it represents a linear growth. You will write here because the time is increasing at fixed rate, that is 1 month. You can write here that is 1 month. So is the height is increasing at a constant rate. The time is increasing at a fixed rate, that is 1 month. So is the height increasing. So is the height increasing at a constant rate, that is 0.5 feet. So this is the reason why it is a linear equation or linear expression or linear growth.